Greetings from French Tweets. This is Dr. Dolly Setia, and I wholeheartedly thank you for having chosen French Tweets as your preferred language learning platform. Not only French, we have been providing live online classes for Spanish, Italian, and others. We have recently launched our new membership under the name of TEF Canada Test Series. Under this membership, you will be finding 10 writing and speaking mock tests. These are fresh topics to prepare you for the exam day challenge. These all tests are meticulously curated by our team of native Francophone TEF experts. So avail this offer by clicking on the join button of our YouTube channel. Have a blessed day.